Yo, what's up guys?
So,
Welcome back to another video. Today, me and my cousin, Amaya, are going to be playing, Ronald. Tell the viewers hi.
Hi,
and also
people.
Tell them to like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe and hit the button.
So you never miss another video.
I've been jailed.
I'm already jailed. Let me escape. So
I need
guys,
you to help.
I just got out of my cell. What do you think I'm supposed to be doing?
Help! I can escape.
I gotta hack the key. The key card.
I've been jailed trying to tase Ronald.
What's the... Dude, the game just froze.
Help, please.
I gotta find the,
I'm just crawling around because I've
the
been
little
jailed.
thing. Uh-oh.
Hey.
Is this gun already tased? Like, feel...
Pain.
I can hear them. Bruh, okay. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here because I just died and I want to play Fortnite, so...
Not me, we playing
Sorry, I'm not gonna post this one because, I didn't stay in the game, so... I just wanted to check out...
We playing Happy Run.
My cousin was playing, so...
I died.
Bye.
Come on, I'm waiting.